Welcome back, everyone. This is us. This is early morning. We are heading somewhere for a very small function, which I'll be explaining later in this video. This is why I want you to watch it until the very end. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a sweet comment. And thank you for tuning in. Good morning. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to this channel. Today I am here with
Hi.
She's back. She's home for the midterm break, and we are somewhere in Moshada village. Moshada is actually a village and a town at the same time. To some people, it's a village. To others, it's a town. So we are going there to visit a relative. So let's go. So like I was saying, this is Moshada for you. This is Moshada town, Moshada village. To some people, it's their village. To others, it's their town. So I just wanted to take you with us so that we can show you this other side of Kenya and this particular estate that not so many people knows about. So we are just walking. We decided to walk from the road so that we can, we can exercise. It's exercise and enjoy the views of Moshada. So it's early morning and we want to start our journey moving. This estate has ups and downs. So if you're coming here with a car, you have to press on the gas, because you have to go up and down, go up the hill and down the hill. One thing is, I always have this fear whenever I come to visit this relative of mine. I have this fear of coming here with a car or a bike, especially a bike. That one I cannot dare. Let's this one pass. So I always fear so much because it's so steep and again going down. So guys, we won't talk much. Let's just walk and we show you what we are talking about. And there are beautiful houses over here. So let's start walking. Tasha, what do you think? If you don't love walking, this is not for you. But I always feel if I do live here, I think I'll be taking walks in the evening and early morning. This is a very good exercise.
It's a good exercise.
Yeah. Free gym. So guys, you see up there, that's where we are going. So we do have another hill to climb and we have to go down this one as well. We have this hill to go down and up that one to go up. So here we are with my person. Where is she? Yeah. So are you done taking photos? I want you to hold the camera as I go down.
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. So guys, imagine we're going down that way. I don't know if this camera is doing justice, and I think I was on Zoom. My face is all over the screen. Yeah. Yeah. The camera is on Zoom, so don't put it on your face because your face will fill in there. So let's go down. Hold on. Yeah. Guys, we are done with hill number 1, so we are going to take hill number 2. Huh? So guys, we are taking hill number 2 and then we will be done. See guys, we have to go up like that. Senor, are you good? I've made you do exercise this early morning, but I'm loving it and I'm also loving the sun. You see, it's actually 8:30 in the morning. The sun is not that hot. By the time it's 11, it will be, we will be roasting. By the time it's in the evening, we are baked, burnt, name it. So guys, I will see you later. Watch this video until the very end because I have a cooking video coming. I'll be shooting a video cooking something, so just watch.
We did reach where we were going, and it was time to make the 4 o'clock tea. I was the chef of the day, by the way, and here I did boil milk first because I forgot to remove it from the freezer, and then I added water. I can't tell the ratio because I just measured with my eyes because it's something that I do a lot. I added the tea leaves here. It can be tea leaves of your choice. I don't have a specific brand. Then I did add black pepper. You know that me and black pepper, we have a relationship that's very strong. I add it in every meal that I take. So I did add there as well. And then I put cloves. These are cloves. But if you have cloves in powder form, you can still use it. It doesn't matter in which form it is as long as it's cloves or cloves. So we did add cloves here as the tea was still cooking. You can just measure, you can just tell. I don't know how to say this. If you cook a lot, you can just tell this is enough. And then we add the cardamom. This is the cardamom. Yes, we put as much as we thought was enough. And then I did get the next spice. That was still cardamom. So I got I believe the next spice was the cinnamon sticks. There you go, the cinnamon. So we added the cinnamon. There you go. You can put as much as you think is enough to make the tea spicy and tasty. So in this case, we were making spicy African tea. And the last ingredient was rosemary. This is dried rosemary. And if you have ginger, you can add ginger. If you have the tea masala, you can add it. So at this point, the ladies were singing. We were having what we call in Africa, or rather where I come from, in the central part of Kenya, when someone gives birth, after some time, women of the family invite their friends, and we do go do something we call Bushugia Mwana, like celebrating the newborn in the family. As they were waiting for the tea to cook, there you go. The tea is ready at this point. So the tea is ready, it's well cooked, well boiled, and we served it with a carrot cake from my sister, who is actually a professional pastry chef or a professional baker. And we had the mandazi. As you can see, our table was set and it was time to celebrate. Thank you for watching, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.